How to create an Airtable form. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can create a form in Airtable. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is when you open up Airtable and you want to open up your projects. And when you open up your projects, on the left hand side at the bottom, you will see you have different views. So over here, you can create a form by clicking on this one right here. So click over here, and over here you can go ahead and create a new form or create a form view. We're going to create a form view, and over here we're going to click on create view, and here we go. So when you create a form, all these different fields or that you can see right here are automatically going to be copied from the project that you already have. So over here you can see we have different projects, so these are the fields that it has. So we have status, subtask, assigned to, project lead, and all of that right here in the form. So you can see it right here. You can change it however you want. If you want to create new fields, all you got to do is just simply click on add a field to this table. Over here you can add in a new name of that field, whether it's a single line, and a type of field as well. So you can single select, multi select, checkbox, attachment, date, phone number, and whatnot. So it depends on you. So over here, this is the field. We're just simply gonna go ahead and delete this field actually, since we don't need it. So over here, let's say this is an employee form. So you just add in employee form, and instead of tasks, you can change it to whatever you want. You can create new fields of it here. You can add in the name, their phone number, their email address, and then you can add in assigned to. You can add what role they're assigned to, what project they're assigned to, their starting date, ending date, and adding different projects so that they know that these are the projects that they're going to be working on. And yeah, very simple. After that, all you got to do is just customize your form by adding a cover image right here and adding a logo as well. But for that, of course, you're going to have to get a new plan. So keep that in mind. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you create a form in Airtable. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.